Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel you all. So time right now is 7:27 and I'm gonna start studying. I already made this to-do list and I'm gonna start with magnetism revision. So let's start. So now I'm almost done with revising this chapter. A little bit is left. This last part I have to remember it. So I will read it once again and then hopefully I'll be able to remember it. And it's been 2 hours and 14 minutes since I'm studying. So yeah, now I'm gonna go get ready and go for the classes. I'm already getting late and I'll see you after the class. So time right now is 3 p.m. and I'm in the class. I'm here in the self-study room, so I'm gonna study here. And I'm gonna start with magnetism revision. I mean, I've done the revision earlier, but I'm just gonna review it once again because I need to remember these stuff. And after that, I will start solving its questions. So let's start. Now I'm gonna start solving questions of magnetism. So after that I started revising plant growth and development chapter in botany, and it has a lot of hormones and its functions, so it was difficult for me to learn that. So I was discussing it with one of my friend and I guess in that way I'll be able to remember that. I came back from coaching at around 8 pm and then I had my dinner and I rested for some time, and then I went to library at around 9 pm, and right now I'm ticking off the things which I got done with in the coaching. So I've just completed section A of magnetism. I haven't completed section B, so I'm gonna do that now. So it's a new day and I woke up at around 7 am and then I freshened up and had my tea and all. And then I went to library because I wanted to get some work done early in the morning. And it's Wednesday today, so that means I do not even have my classes. So let's start by making a to-do list. So yesterday my health was not at its best, so I couldn't record anything and I didn't even study much. So this is the to-do list for today and I'm gonna start with revision of dual nature. And I will be making short notes along with revision. So let's start. So before you spam in the comment section that have you completed your physics syllabus, so no, I haven't. It's just that in our classes right now the chapter which is going on is ray optics, and our sir decided to complete the modern physics in the extra classes which he take, and on the days when we have test and the whole day he take class and complete one chapter of modern physics. So that is the reason I'm revising dual nature now. So now I'm done with making short notes of this chapter, and it took me almost 1 hour to complete it. And time right now is 8:30. And now I'm gonna cut this off from my to-do list. Now I'm gonna start with revising cockroach. So let's start our timer and start reading NCERT. I got done with cockroach revision in around half an hour, and now I'm gonna cut this off from to-do list. And now I'm gonna start revising frog. And in just 25 minutes I'm even done with frog revision. Now I'm gonna start with solving questions of dual nature. So I'm gonna start with section A जो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत कर रखा है. But let's start. So time right now is 10:14 and I've studied for about 2.5 hours, and now I'm gonna go back to my home and have breakfast and all. So let's go back home now. So after coming back home, I had my breakfast and then I showered and all, and then I went to canteen with my mom. Time right now is almost 12:30 and I'm again gonna start with solving questions of this chapter. So right now I'm doing section C of this chapter. I haven't completed it and I have been studying for almost 3 hours now. Now I'm gonna stop this and I have to go to PTM with my brother. So I'm gonna go there. So time right now is 2:30 and I'm back to library after having my lunch and coming back from the PTM and all. Now I'm gonna I've decided to not solve any questions of dual nature any further because I've did questions and I think that's enough for today. Now I'm gonna start with revising respiration in plants chapter. So let's turn on our timer as well. And it took me almost 1 hour to completely revise this chapter, so now let's cut it off from our to-do list. Time right now is 4 PM and our study time is also 4 hours. Now I'm gonna start revising oscillations chapter from my short notes, so let's start that. So I revised oscillation short notes in almost an hour and now I'm gonna start practicing its questions. So right now I'm solving questions of oscillations and I'm not solving all the questions because I've already did questions of this chapter. I'm just solving the marked questions. Now I'm done with practicing questions of oscillations from module and now I'm gonna practice few more questions of oscillations from this book Master Stroke for NEET UG 2024 by Arihant. So let's start doing it. Do you also find it difficult to solve questions of assertion, reason and statement based? Well, I got you covered. So Arihant Publication recently launched their Master Stroke for NEET UG 2024 book. So this book contains all the special type of questions which are asked in NEET. So it contains assertion, reason, statement based match the following kind of questions. It contains detailed solution along with answer key of all the questions. Special tip is given in some of the questions for better conceptual understanding of that particular question. And this book is based on new syllabus released by NTA. This is the only book which is available in the market with special format questions for NEET. It contains more than 2000 special format questions of physics, chemistry and biology, and they also provide strategies to solve these special format questions of all the chapters. And this one book contains all 3 subjects, so you should definitely purchase it and practice these special format questions. It will help you a lot. So after completing oscillations, now I'm gonna start revising Animal Kingdom. So let's start that. After revising this chapter, I went back home at around 8 PM and then I had my dinner. And time right now is 9 PM and I'm back to library. And now I'm gonna start revising waves from my short notes. So let's start that. I didn't complete a revision of waves because I was not feeling well and it was hard for me to revise it because I prefer to revise while speaking it. Not actually loud but at least lip syncing, but I was feeling sick so I couldn't do that. So I decided to switch the task. I was like, I'll do something else. So time right now is 10 PM and now I'm gonna start with revising, not actually revising but watching lecture of coordinate chemistry. So I don't like this chapter a lot and I couldn't understand half of the things in the classes. So I decided to watch its lecture. I'm watching its Umeed Batch each lecture, which is of 8 hours. So obviously I couldn't complete it in one go. I will complete it like in pieces. So yeah. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with a new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.